Good morning, YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I just wanted to show you this freesia that I found at the garden center, and oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I can't wait for spring. I had to grab some flowers. Come with me and we're going to get a little shelf ready in the guest house so I can start some seeds. I've been watching Homestead Tessie and she has some great gardening ideas. Make sure you go to her channel. It's Tessie over at Homestead Tessie, and she is amazing. We're going to go into our guest house and try to straighten it out and start some seeds. We've been using this room as a catch-all, as you can see. So we're going to try to straighten it out and try to make our workout room a little easier access too. I forgot to show you the snow that we woke up to today. Quite a bit of snow. Okay guys, we got this system set up. So I have a top shelf, about 5 shelves. These are my seeds down here. We just put them on some 5-gallon buckets. I purchased these from the dollar store, so I'm just gonna put them in these roasting pans as a water drip pan. So I'll get back with you when that's done. I just wanted to show you these little greenhouses that we made. Just got some soil in the bottom, and these just fold down and act like a greenhouse. Guys, we got everything kind of set up. We got some things on the top. Got our trays almost filled. I gotta go and get some more potting. These were just from the dollar store and they worked out perfect. And the turkey pans were from the dollar store too. I'm just experimenting. I've never really started seeds before, but with my home friend Tessie and her little homestead, she starts her herbs in these plastic containers from the dollar store, and then she just plops the whole thing out. And I thought that's genius, so I'm gonna try to do that. Plus I just love her. She's amazing. I got all my seeds. Got some bell peppers and squash and my herbs. I had to get some flowers too, of course, but and then I had a whole bunch that I picked from my flowers that I had last year, so I'm going to try to see if I can get some more going. I've been putting my seeds in these containers too. I moved my fruit trees. We're in zone 5. So fruit trees don't really do real well, but maybe we might get lucky. You never know. I got a pear, a couple of peaches, a couple of apples. Hi guys, thank you for spending the day with us. Enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless you.